Yo, turn that volume up. Crank that shit. We are quiet today. Got a record from Amazon. What is it? You'll find out if you haven't read the title. Oh yeah. It's Visions by Grimes. Oh, that's so awesome. That giant hype sticker, look at that. I'm gonna stick that motherfucker on my guitar as soon as I get this thing out. I am so excited. Yeah. Let me grab a Swiss Army knife. Open this sucker. So it's not a gatefold, which is not necessarily disappointing because I wasn't really expecting it to be, but it is something. Also, it is definitely not 180 gram. That is slightly disappointing. I would have hoped that all the reissues and whatever had 180 gram vinyl, but what can you do? Not much. Just have to hope that I don't drop it on something or something like that so it doesn't get warped, but yeah, we're just not gonna care at all about this shrink wrap. All right, beautiful cover. Oh my god. So I unboxed Misanthropocene already. I talked a lot about Crimes there, so I'm not gonna talk as much, but this is an album I haven't heard as much, but I do believe it is one of my favorites. It's just my least listened to one. I have this thing with music where the things I like the most, I'll listen to the least because I want to save them for like the perfect moments. Yeah, that vinyl is kind of thin. That's what I was kind of scared of, but I'm like, yeah, it's like kind of bending in just me holding it, but yep. There's that. Same thing on the other side. Not quite, it's reversed. Just simple black. Fuck. Simple black, yep. Yeah, that is thin. Nice. Yeah, she is awesome. Without an E. AWSOME. That's what she is. Sorry, it's like 11:30 at night. I'm excited to put this thing on. There's the back. Thanks, ciao.